Next up, ForgeBox module of the week. And this week we're going to talk about cbPlaywright. So one of those sessions and one of the things mentioned in the keynote Into the Box, Eric Peterson worked like crazy to get done for Into the Box because that's what we do. cbPlaywright, for those who haven't used it, Playwright's a really awesome tool, and this cbPlaywright module allows you to tie into Playwright from TestBox and actually run actual tests in browsers, and I really love the session Into the Box. So it's pretty neat. It gives you the ability to take screenshots, it does videos, it does all that type of stuff, but it's like basically it plugs into things, so using command box, you can do box playwright install Chromium or Firefox or WebKit or Microsoft Edge and actually use those browsers to actually run your tests. And the code is pretty simple too. You'll say variables.playwright.firefox.launch, and then you can do page is browser.new page. You can navigate somewhere, wait for the load state, and expect the title to be something. You can do all sorts of crazy stuff. It's like Selenium, but it really gives you the power to do so many more things, and it's pretty slick. Eric's got a really nice fluent interface with it, so you can really make your tests very, very fluent, very readable, and really powerful. So I'm really excited to see what people do with cbPlaywright. But that is our ForgeBox module of the week. That was our ForgeBox module of the week, brought to you by Modernize or Die Podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.